नमस्कार दोस्तों, स्वागत है आपका मेरे यूट्यूब चैनल में जिसका नाम है ऑल अबाउट सिविल इंजीनियरिंग बाय प्रवीण मानी। यहाँ पे मैं सिविल इंजीनियरिंग रिलेटेड वीडियोस पोस्ट करता हूँ जो कि सिविल इंजीनियरिंग स्टूडेंट के लिए अति महत्वपूर्ण होते हैं। आज मैं आपको ऐसी कुछ बातें बताने वाला हूँ जो सिविल इंजीनियर को सक्सेसफुल बनाने में महत्वपूर्ण है। तो आप इसे केयरफुली वॉच कीजिए इस वीडियो को। ये वीडियो को एज आवर बेसिक लैंग्वेज इज इंग्लिश, मैं ये वीडियो इंग्लिश में ही बताऊंगा आपको कौन से स्किल्स होने चाहिए सिविल इंजीनियर के पास, सो दैट ही विल बिकम अ सक्सेसफुल सिविल इंजीनियर बाय इट्स प्रोफेशन। So, civil engineers are professionals who design, maintain, and oversees a construction project like road, bridges, dams, canals, residential, and commercial building. The profession of civil engineer is considered as one of the well-paid and respected as they are major contributors to the society. They must possess a very broad skill set from cost accounting to geology. Many civil engineers have jobs that require a very hands-on role in construction, while others may have positions more heavily weighted towards supervisory and administrative skills. We can therefore see how important it is for civil engineers to possess certain qualities and skills. Here we are providing the 7 most important skill set that civil engineer should have to succeed. मीन्स यहाँ पे आपको 7 इम्पॉर्टेंट क्वालिटीज बताने वाला हूँ मैं जो कि सिविल इंजीनियर को सक्सेसफुल बनाने में काम आती है। सो फर्स्ट वन इज द टेक्निकल स्किल, सेकंड वन इज द प्रोजेक्ट मैनेजमेंट स्किल, थर्ड वन इज द लीडरशिप स्किल, फोर्थ वन इज द कम्युनिकेशन स्किल, फिफ्थ वन क्रिएटिविटी स्किल, सिक्स्थ वन विजुअलाइजेशन स्किल, सेवंथ वन critical thinking skill. So we'll see in detail what knowledge is required in every skill. So first is the technical skill. A good civil engineer should have a level of mathematics and physics that allows for the identification and solving of engineering problems. Let's put it this way: if a structural engineer wasn't able to accurately work out how much weight is being distributed throughout a bridge, anyone would dare to be driving anywhere near that bridge. Civil engineers also need to be skilled in design techniques and working with maps, drawing and models, as well as CAD software. They need to be able to predict and possible future problem and find solution for them. Second one is project management skill. When problem arises, it is common for people involved in the project on all levels to look to the engineer for guidance and resolution. A civil engineer must be able to step up to the task and manage a diverse team of professionals whilst maintaining the confidence of client. Third one is the leadership skill. Civil engineers carry a great deal of responsibility as they are ultimately in charge of entire project's design and implementation. They must be able to lead a diverse team of professionals including surveyors, construction managers, technicians, contractors, architects, urban planners, transportation engineer and others, as well as maintain the confidence of governmental planning authorities. The effectiveness of civil engineers' leadership skill may be a significant determining factor in keeping a project on time and budget. Now, then fourth is the communication skill. In civil engineering, perhaps more so than other engineering fields, the ability to communicate effectively is a highly sought after skill. Whether dealing with management or a client, engineer needs to be able to communicate ideas and give direction, leaving no ambiguity. They must also be able to listen and benefit from the ideas of others in the team. Then creativity skill. It could be said broadly that the role of civil engineers in applying engineering principles to develop solutions within the built environment. More often than Not this required a certain level of creativity. Engineers need to be able to innovate and improve solutions, from finding ways to reduce CO2 emission or making a trampoline bridge. Creativity is a key. Sixth skill is visualization skill. The ability to imagine what something will look like when it's finished and visualize how complex components will come together is one of the most important skills a civil engineer can have. Visualization skill must be flexible and dynamic to identify and resolve issues before they can become problems, because there are so many parts to large scale project. Civil engineers must be able to envision how the interrelationships change when one or more individual aspects are changed. Now, critical thinking. Civil engineers often face complex problems and need to be efficient solution for them. They need to be able to assess the pros and cons of all possible solutions, and they need to be decisive to choose the best one. Civil engineers generally require a very broad skill set, and this list is in no way exhaustive, but these seven were what are thought to be most important skill for civil engineers. So these are the seven skills which required to have a civil engineer for to become a successful professional in his field. So if you like the video, please do share it and subscribe the channel for more such fruitful videos. Thank you.